Welcome fellow tech adventurers. Today we are not just reviewing a smartphone, we are embarking on a journey through innovation, artistry and unmatched performance of Reno 11 Pro. The latest masterpiece from OPPO is a testament to what happens when technology meets human imagination. Get ready to be amazed as I unravel the magic behind the device that's setting new benchmarks in its segment. Let's start with Reno 11 Pro's breathtaking design. The Pearl White Edition isn't just a color, it's an experience. Inspired by serene beauty of mother of pearl, this phone features a shimmering design with layers of texture that catch the light, bringing the natural elegance of the sea to your palm. With about 3.5 million reflective surfaces, it captures light in a way that's simply mesmerizing. The rock gray model, on the other hand, mirrors the majestic calm of the sea under sunlight, with its layers of silver glitter creating an ever-changing vista. Each curve and each angle of this phone speaks to the meticulous attention to detail. The 3D dual curved front and back ensure a comfortable, smooth grip, while its lightweight and slim profile makes it a joy to hold and use. The innovation doesn't end with the color. The lens module, with its dynamic sunshine ring design, captures the essence of bright, sunlit days. It's a reminder of the memories you'll capture and cherish with the Reno 11 Pro. And for those who crave an immersive viewing experience, the 120Hz display with a full HD Plus resolution is a dream come true. Its ultra-high refresh rate and billion-color display bring your content to life with unparalleled clarity and vibrancy. The 6.7-inch borderless large display with the ultra-thin bezel isn't just big, it's an expansive canvas that makes every visual a masterpiece. And speaking of brightness, with typical brightness of 500 nits and local peak brightness reaching up to 950 nits, your usage of Reno 11 Pro will be comfortable in any environment. Now, to the heart of photography enthusiasts, the ultra-clear portrait camera system. Imagine capturing every moment with clarity so lifelike, your photos breathe life. The main camera, with its 50-megapixel Sony flagship IMX890 sensor, transforms your memories into crystal clear snapshots. And for those who love to get up close and personal, the 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 telephoto camera is your new best friend. With 2x optical zoom and up to 20x digital zoom, it's like having a professional portrait studio in your pocket. But wait, there is more. The 8-megapixel 112 degrees ultra-wide angle camera is perfect for when you want to capture everything from epic landscapes to full family reunions. Because, let's face it, no one likes being left out of the frame. And for all of you selfie kings and queens, the front camera is a game changer. With its custom 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 sensor and autofocus, your selfies will be so clear and detailed that you'll start wondering if you're looking at a mirror or a photo. Now, let's not forget about the video filming capabilities of Reno 11 Pro. This phone doesn't just capture moments, it immortalizes them in 4K glory. Whether you're filming the adventure of a lifetime, a day in the park or even vlogging on a front camera, every detail will be crisp, clear and captivating. Just now we have covered the hardware part of the camera, and as we know, OPPO is famous for having not only top hardware specs but also software enhancements, so let's talk about them. Meet the Portrait Expert engine, powered by OPPO's dedication to unparalleled aesthetics in portrait photography. It's the result of global symphony of portrait masters, each contributing their wisdom to perfect every shot you take. This isn't just about technology, it's an art form. The Portrait Expert engine weaves together local professional aesthetics, creating portraits that speak to the soul. And with the groundbreaking Hypertone imaging engine, every photo radiates with clarity and depth, showcasing lifelike light and shade effects. But the magic doesn't stop there. The AI portrait retouching breathes life into every portrait. It softens shadows, enhances contours, and optimizes facial features, all while preserving the unique beauty that makes you, well, you. In a world clamoring for authenticity, this smartphone stands out by offering something priceless: the ability to capture not just images, but the essence of moments, the depths of emotions, and the beauty of diversity. With OPPO's Portrait Expert engine and AI portrait retouching, every portrait is a bridge to understanding, a canvas of cultural celebration, and a testament to the beauty that surrounds us. Central to this technological marvel is the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset. Crafted using a state-of-the-art 4nm process, this chipset is a powerhouse of efficiency and speed. With an octa-core CPU featuring Cortex A78 and A55 cores, clocking up to a lightning-fast 3.1 GHz and the Mali G610 GPU, your gaming, streaming, and multitasking are not just fast, they are hyperspeed. But it's not just about raw power. The Dimensity 8200 is a maestro of balance, enhancing AI energy efficiency by 20%. And boosting CPU performance by 6% while reducing GPU power consumption by 8%. The result? A seamless, energy-efficient experience that keeps you going longer. Connectivity is key, and with the 5G integrated design of the Dimensity 8200, you're not just connected, you're ahead of the curve. This ensures that wherever you are, your smartphone keeps you in the fast lane, ready for the future today. But what about longevity? In OPPO labs, the 48 months fluency was tested. Through rigorous pre-aging and post-aging group analysis, examining app boot times, multimedia responsiveness, and more, this device proved its mettle. It emerged not just unscathed, but triumphant, guaranteeing that your smartphone remains as fluid and responsive in 4 years as it is today. Storage and memory, the twin pillars of performance. With configurations up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of ROM, and the revolutionary RAM expansion technology, this phone adapts to your needs, ensuring your apps and memories aren't just stored but are instantly accessible, keeping you efficient and your phone ultra-responsive. And in the world of connectivity, Link Boost is your unparalleled advantage. It's not just technology, it's a promise of uninterrupted communication. Whether you are navigating through crowded spaces, moving at speed, or in areas of traditionally weak signal, Link Boost with its advanced antenna power enhancement and AI network selection ensures your connection remains robust and reliable. In the symphony of smart living, the AI remote control feature conducts with precision. It transforms your smartphone into a master key of your electronic devices, offering convenience and control with a simple tap. From the comfort of your couch, control your world. Imagine this, in just 5 minutes you are powered up to 24%. That's not just fast, it's lightning fast. And in the time it takes to finish your coffee, you're looking at a whopping 45% battery. Full charge? Just 28 minutes. Time is of the essence, and the Reno 11 Pro knows it. But let's talk real life. 5 minutes of charging gets you 2 hours of YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. Whether it's catching up on videos or chatting with friends, this phone keeps you connected with just a few minutes of charging. And it's not just about speed. With 4600 mAh large battery, this powerhouse supports 1.5 days of use on a full charge. Nighttime standby, only a 6% drop. It's like having an energy reserve for days. But here's where it really shines. The OPPO exclusive battery health engine ensures this isn't just a temporary thrill. This battery is built to last, with a promise to keep you powered up for 4 years. Yes, you heard that right, 4 years. Thanks to groundbreaking technology, the battery health engine effectively reduces lithium precipitation, ensuring your battery stays younger for longer. With the smart battery health algorithm, the battery healing technology is not just a battery, it's a lifeline that's durable and reliable. And for the tech-savvy among us, you can even check your battery's health status right on the phone. It's transparency and innovation packed into one sleek device. So, if you're looking for a phone that charges faster than a flash, lasts longer than your longest day, and stays strong for years to come, you found your match. With the smartphone, you're not just keeping up with life, you're staying ahead of the curve. Imagine a smartphone that doesn't just follow your commands, but anticipates your needs, streamlines your workflow, and elevates your creativity. Welcome to the world of ColorOS 14, where smart isn't just a feature, it's the foundation. Starting with smart image matting. a tool that's about to revolutionize your photo editing game. With just one tap, you can extract subjects from any photo, regardless of the complexity of the background or the number of subjects. Imagine isolating up to 6 subjects in a single shot, even your pets, with unmatched precision. And it's not just about extraction. You can drag and drop the subjects across apps, seamlessly integrating them into your memos, wallpapers, or social media posts. It's about creating more expressive, personalized content effortlessly. Next, let's talk about efficiency with Smart Touch and File Dock. This feature redefines how you collect and share information. Picture this: you're browsing and with simple gestures, you grab images, text or files and then, like magic, drag them into another app or the file dock for later use. It's the ultimate multitasking tool. And for those who live on multiple screens, the synergy between your smartphone and tablet ensures that your files are not just transferred but synchronized, making your digital life truly seamless. At the core of this smart ecosystem is the Trinity engine. It's not just about keeping your apps alive, it's about revolutionizing memory management. With technology that compresses app data and restructures RAM mechanisms, your phone remains as swift and responsive as day one, even with 28 apps running simultaneously for 72 hours. And with the new storage technology, say goodbye to storage woes. Imagine saving up to 45 GB of space on your device, ensuring that your memories and apps have the room they need to breathe, thrive, and evolve. ColorOS 14 isn't just an update, it's a leap into the future of smartphone interaction. With smart image matting, Smart Touch and File Dock, and the revolutionary Trinity engine, your device is not just smart, it's genius, ready to tackle the demands of the digital age with grace and agility. So, as a recap, let's go through the key selling points of the OPPO Reno 11 Pro. Pearl white and rock gray colors with a reflective design and the 3D curved design, which makes it easier for you to hold it in your hands. 6.7-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz refresh rate with 1 billion colors. And for cameras, the main one is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890. The telephoto one is a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 with a 2x optical zoom. Ultra-wide one is an 8-megapixel one with a 112 degrees field of view. And of course, the front one with a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 with autofocus. Performance comes thanks to this hardware: MediaTek Dimensity 8200 with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The battery has a capacity of 4600 mAh and gets charged by an 80-watt SuperVOOC that gives 24% charge in 5 minutes and full juice in 28 minutes. Last but not least, ColorOS 14 with smart features like Smart Image Matting, Smart Touch, File Dock, Trinity Engine, and Link Boost. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the limits of what's possible. See you on the next one.